Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling heart rate measurements on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your watch measures your heart rate throughout the day, during exercise and while you sleep. It also uses this sensor to calculate the calories you have burned. If you do not want your watch to be able to do this, follow the next steps. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap privacy and security. Then scroll down the privacy and security settings and tap health. Tap heart rate. Then tap the toggle to the right of heart rate to enable or disable heart rate measurements. You can see your heart rate data in the Health app. Open the Health app on your phone and tap Browse. Then tap Heart. Tap Heart Rate to see your heart rate measurements. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.